friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you a recipe for this delicious treat that you can make for Valentine's Day, and also I wanted to show you my new kitchen gadget, this electric wine opener. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're gonna need for this recipe is a ricotta cheese, one package of ricotta cheese. I split it in two different bowls. In one, I'm putting powdered sugar, and you can add as much as you want to your likings. And in the other one, in the other half, I put spinach. Again, it could be frozen or fresh. I chose to add fresh spinach. For the dough, I'm going to be using this puff pastry sheets. They've been thawed on a room temperature, and I'm rolling them out just a little bit so they're not too thick, but also you don't want them too thin. Then I'm using this heart-shaped cookie cutter to cut out my shapes. After that, I'm gonna start putting the filling on the bottom of each heart, and then I'm gonna cover them up with the top part, and I will seal them with a fork like so. You can really take any filling that you'd like. You can use jelly, you can use Nutella, really anything you'd like. I prefer something like this. I thought it's gonna be great, and it really turned out delicious. So over here I am doing the sweet ones. And after I'm done sealing them, I'm putting them on my cookie sheet, and I will brush them with egg wash. I am putting them in an oven that was warmed up for 400 degrees, and they're going to be in there for around 15 minutes, but keep an eye on it because everything depends on the oven. And while they're baking, I'm going to show you this Redmond wine opener that I just got. Guys, this is definitely a game changer. If you are a wine drinker, or if you know someone that is a wine drinker, this is really a must-have. It will be a perfect gift for your loved one for this Valentine's Day. And also, if you just want to get it for yourself, it's great as well. It has everything that you need. It looks stylish and beautiful, even to keep it on a counter if you'd like, and works amazing, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And now my pastry is done. Oh my god, guys, it smelled amazing. My whole house smelled like this pastry. It looked perfect, and my whole family loved it. My husband was very surprised with it. And this is a sweet one. If you want, you can just sprinkle with powdered sugar. If not, you can put any kind of toppings on it. It's totally up to you. And now let me show you how this wine opener works. We all have a bunch of these at home, and we all know they are a pain to work with. So say no to this and order yourself this wine opener. So over here, my husband is cutting the top part, the foil. You saw how easy it was. And after that, the only thing he did was he put this opener on top, pressed the button, and voila, look how easy that cork came out. It is just amazing with no trouble at all. And then you press the top button and the corks comes out. So beside the main cork opener and the foil cutter, there is this aerator, and also the gadget that helps you pour the wine easily. And again, the design on this is so pretty. The package also comes with two vacuum sealer that you can put on top, and then turn around other part of this gadget, and it seals the vacuum. When it stops making sound, that is when you know it's all done and sealed, and that's how the wine keeps freshness. And the cool part about it, there are the numbers where you can mark and know what day actually is when you open the wine. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, click that bell next to the subscribe button. And if you are interested in this wine opener, I'm gonna have it linked in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. Have a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.